Guys, there's a phase in the MBA preparation while preparing for the CAT exam, especially when you feel like nahi ho payega. Fine, when the ship starts sinking. Okay, two school of thought here. Number one, the moment you see the ship is sinking, what you do? Change the ship immediately. The point number one is I can immediately switch to the non-CAT exam. Okay, SNAP, NMAT, CMAT. Trust me, guys. Most of the people after CAT exam they get depressed, down, negativity come into picture. We go to self-doubt. CAT के बाद छोड़ो यार. There are people, including me, who always went into self-doubting the moment after every mock. After every mock, I used to doubt myself. यार क्या चल रहा है? क्यों हो रहा है ये? This and that. So to come out of that is change the ship to the non-CAT exam. Second thing is I can do both. You can still prepare for the CAT exam because the maximum colleges are through CAT. And while doing the CAT exam, I can spend X amount of time in the non-CAT exam as well. You can do that. Uska simple way out is for CETing student, we have a chota mock. Every day morning, you have to give a half an hour ka mock. Every day morning, half an hour, एक mock देना आपको, छोटा mock, उसका नाम ही छोटा mock है, 40 क्वेश्चन का mock है. The moment you are giving those mocks, you're automatically being prepared for the non-CAT exam. And non-CAT exam preparation is totally separate. Most of the coaching classes will tell you that obviously. तूने CAT कर लिया भाई तो बाकी exam निकाल लेगा. If you can crack the CAT exam, you can crack anything, boss. Ja. Why? Because the moment CAT is over, I want to focus on the CAT 22 at the coaching classes. My aim is not NMAT, SNAP, all these things. That's why most of the classes are giving 1 to 5 lectures for the non-CAT exam. What we have done, the moment CAT is over, we'll take a break, long break, 2 days, 3 days, whatever number of days you want to take a break. And after the break is over, we'll immediately start with the non-CAT exam in 2 days. I'm just opening the calendar. CAT is on November 28th. आ गया यार, अगले महीने CAT आ गया. November 28, उसके बाद 2 दिन बाकी है, 29, 30. फर्स्ट को जाके इतने दिनों के बाद we will start with the non-CAT exam का preparation immediately. That is your step 2. Number 1, you want to change the ship immediately, you can do that. Number 2, let CAT get over. CAT के बाद we'll change the books. नया books, नया प्यार, नया सब कुछ. Yes, CAT का preparation is totally different from the non-CAT exam. The moment CAT is over, you have to prepare for logic because logic of all the exams, SNAP, NMAT, IFT also is not at all same as the CAT exam. Logic. Number 2, I have to study for abstract in case you're going for a CET exam, which is part of the logic only. DI, calculation based DI. CAT is the only exam where calculation is less. And CAT is the only exam where calculator is there. Fine. NMAT, SNAP, all the exam में calculation भर के आएगा. So I have to immediately move my focus to the calculation based DI. I have to study GK as well because IFT, TIS, lot of exam contain GK. Okay. I have to prepare for the verbal and grammar as well because CAT is the only exam where there is no vocabulary and grammar. Yeah. For the non-CAT exam, vocab and grammar. CET 25 mark of vocab and grammar out of 200 mark paper. So vocab, grammar, DI calculation based, complete logic, I have to study again. Fine. So almost half of the paper is same as CAT exam. Half of the paper is totally new, which you have to shift. That shift you can have today. Fine. My request to you is don't abandon CAT ka ship because maximum colleges are still through CAT. Number of seats in CET is 1200. In SNAP 600, top 3 colleges. Top 4 le lo, 800. IFT 400 seats. Every exam have got 200, 400, 300, 600 seats. CAT have got 20,000 seats. Yes, 20,000. अरे 5,000 तो आए नहीं है. फिर नॉन आइम्स ये वो करते करते इफ यू आर टेकिंग सीईटी का टॉप 10 कॉलेजेस सेम वे इफ यू लुक एट कैट का सीईटी के 10th कॉलेज के जो इक्वल कॉलेज होगा 20,000 सीटें तो चांसेस टू कन्वर्ट इज मोर. ओके सो इफ यू कैन गेट मोर देन 80 percentile इन द कैट एग्जाम प्लीज कीप योर आईज एंड ईयर्स ओपन फॉर द कैट एग्जाम ऑल्सो एंड वाइल दैट स्टार्ट थोड़ा प्रिपरेशन फॉर द नॉन कैट एग्जाम. You can join us for the books, you can take our mocks. We are focused on non-CAT exam as well. The moment CAT का वो दे 2 school of thought ना, CAT वाला CAT पे जाएगा, non-CAT वाला non-CAT पे जाएगा. But you have to start ASAP. Sometimes what happens, the moment CAT is over, you are down, and then within 2 weeks you have SIMB का एग्जाम, next week you have IFT का एग्जाम. नहीं हो पाएगा यार, 2 हफ्ते में क्या पढ़ लोगे, this and that. Guys, you have done a lot. You have studied for the CAT exam. Your basics are clear. You just have to transform your energy into some new type of question which you're already used to. And trust me, that's my duty. Leave it on to me. The moment CAT is over, to bring you back for the non-CAT exam, to start studying for the non-CAT exam, that's my responsibility. Trust me. आप मेरे पे छोड़ दो. The moment CAT is over, we'll take a break and start for non-CAT. That is second thought. Otherwise, start from today. हमारा मॉक्स ले लो, साथ में एक छोटा मॉक्स साथ में आ जाएगा. स्टार्ट गिविंग 1 मॉक एवरी डे. स्कोर कम ही आएगा ना, स्टार्टिंग में स्कोर कम ही आएगा, ग्रेजुअली द स्कोर, बिकॉज नॉन कैट एग्जाम इज अ प्योर स्पीड बेस्ड एग्जाम. CAT is a test match. You can leave a few questions, solve a few questions. CET, SNAP, NMET, all the non-CAT exam is a T20 match. Bhago, run a ball. NMET 120 minutes, 120 question approximately. SIMB 60 minutes, 60 questions. CET 150 minutes, 200 questions. So it's all speed game. Alright, level is less, no doubt, but speed have to be improved. So उसका अभी से start करना पड़ेगा. All the best.